comprehension exercise today. Today we're going to be talking about two words that my students often misuse in their English grammar sentences. The two words I am talking about is the word I and the word me. It is sometimes difficult to know whether to use the word I or me in a sentence. I and me are both personal pronouns, but I is a subjective pronoun and me is an objective pronoun. Well, before we get into this and some examples and sentences, please guys, as always, like my videos, and also hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so, and as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So let's get into this, into this English comprehension exercise. I and me are both personal pronouns. I is a subjective pronoun and me is an objective pronoun. So let's look at the rules for each one. The subject of a sentence does the action. So I is the subject of the sentence. It is a personal pronoun. This means it is used as the subject of a sentence. Here are some examples of using the word I. I worked for 8 hours today. I like to sing. I called her on the phone. I love to eat pizza. Do you like to eat pizza? I love pizza. I love to eat pizza. In all of these sentences, the speaker is doing the action, so we use I. Let's look at the English word me, the object of the sentence. Me is an objective personal pronoun. This means it is used as the object of a sentence. The object of a sentence receives the action. The action after it either happens to the object or for the object. The objective pronoun are me, the objective pronouns are the words me, him, her, it, us, you, them, and whom. We talked about these words in some of my previous exercises. Here are some examples in using the personal pronoun me. She asked me to carry her books. The rain fell on me. Nick called me. He mailed the letter to me. In all of these sentences, the speaker is receiving the answer. Me, I am receiving the answers. So we use the personal pronoun me. Traditional grammar rules say to use I as the subject and me as the object. However, in modern conversations, many people use me when they should use I, and it is acceptable, and I is acceptable. For example, my sister is smarter than I. It is grammatically correct, but it sounds very formal. Most people would say, my sister is smarter than me. So listen guys, that's the exercise today, the short exercise, English comprehension exercise today. If you like this exercise, please like my page as always, and hit that subscribe button for me if you have not already subscribed to my channel. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time guys, until the next English comprehension lesson, have a great day out there. Go out there and make it a great day, and I will see you in the next lesson.